I'm Kim. I work here at Girl Scouts of Northeast Texas, and I'm sending my daughter for the first time to resident camp this summer. This is part 6 of our series on how to get you and your daughter prepared for summer camp. Mail is delivered to campers every day, and we don't rely on the U.S. Postal Service. Riding your camper is an incredibly meaningful gift, and campers treasure the letters that they receive from their families at camp. Think of this a little bit like the Tooth Fairy or Easter Bunny or whatever secret surprise tradition you have in your family. Keep camper mail a secret from your child. Why? Well, it gives them a fun surprise to look forward to each day and keeps inevitable competition down between campers. Listen, you can tell them you're sending things, but don't tell her you're going to get a rainbow poppet on Wednesdays. And, in fact, don't send a rainbow poppet, or snacks, or gifts. Just keep your camper mail to light, loving messages. Hope you're having fun. Can't wait to hear about all of your adventures, or I'm so proud of you for going to camp this summer and being brave. These letters can serve as an extra bit of comforting motivation to make it through her days away. Things to stay away from, things like, we miss you, or it's so quiet here without you, or Dad and I are having a great time, or heaven forbid, we're having fun at Disney without you. You'll have an opportunity to give your camper mail to the camp staff when you check your camper in.